The following video is part of a weekly inspirational series that we at Osteofitness Collective have designed for you. Each video is comprised of few, if not only one piece of equipment and lasting between 10 to 15 minutes. I hope you enjoy the following video. Please let us know what you think by either liking the video or commenting below. The first exercise of the medicine ball series is the squat and press. What we do for this exercise is we're holding the medicine ball into the chest, going down into a squat position and then pushing the ball above your head. We're aiming between 10 to 15 reps of this particular exercise. The second exercise is the chest press. This is engaging the muscles of the upper body as well as holding the core nice and tight. What we're going to do is hold the medicine ball into the chest, pressing it out in front of us and then bringing it back in. We are repeating this exercise between 10 to 15 times. The third exercise is a wood chop. This is a little bit more tricky, engaging explosive energy of the lower body as well as the core. What we're doing is going down into a squat position and then moving the ball diagonally across the body and then above the head. We are doing this both sides and repeating about 10 to 15 times. The next exercise is the lunge and twist. Again, we're engaging both the core and the lower body with this exercise. What we're doing is bringing the medicine ball into the chest, slowly moving into a lunge position and twisting side to side. What we're doing is repeating this on both sides, ensuring we're keeping the body upright the whole time, and then repeating 10 to 15 times. The next exercise is a little bit more advanced. It is the rolling push-up. What we're doing with this exercise is we're holding the medicine ball in one hand, going down into a press up and then gently rolling it to the opposite side. The importance of this particular exercise is holding the core nice and tight, and we're aiming between 10 to 15 press-ups. The last of the exercises is the sit-up and press. This is working both the core and the upper body muscles. What we're doing is we're moving the medicine ball from above the head and then pushing it up between the knees, aiming between 10 to 15 reps. Repeat all of the exercises for 3 rounds. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also follow the link below to our website.